Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright, my viewers, welcome back to another trending news. Now, Kiprich took to his live to clear the air about all the allegations that his baby mother has been saying about him and his girlfriend Kizzy Don. Chin stepped to the front. The man said him tired of you and your lies. You had your chance and you mess it up when you bring man in at the place where the two of did rent up in Narbrook after Kiprich gone a foreign gone do him shows. You need for up off of him and him woman back. Cause you had a chance and you mess it up. The picnic when you and him share because of you and your troublesome ways. The little baby girl when she did only 5 years old, she nearly lose her life. She don't know you get problem we get for understand. Until this day the little girl is still traumatized. Him call him daughter upon the live, and this happened 20 years ago and the little girl can still remember everything. So clearly she's still traumatized. The man I say, look how much other popular people you deal with. Why him? Why you choose for keep on a pick on him? And would I really like for know too? What about keep us up? Because at this point, Chin, it is giving obsession. From the day the people them announce them pregnancy, it's like it lick your chip. You come with all kind of story about the people them a scam. You all have the nerve to come and apologize after the people them baby dead. Chin, it's either you go come out and explain or you just a go stop the talking at this point. Cause what side the man deserve like a peace in him life. And you can really see it say him drain and him just want, them just bury them like a baby girl and them just want, the people them want grieve in peace. So we need to forget all of yourself. Anyways, want to know watch the video and as usual leave all comments below.
I have killed her from she has 6 months. Seeing? And when McGear tell her say yes, them can go take the place and what have you. You know what she say? She say you mad. Or me for left Narbrook and got Ola go live. Remember, the place at Ola, the place at Narbrook was a rented place. Me did rent this. And she said, oh, she will leave from Narbrook and go Ola go live. So she turned down that. Because of hype. Because obviously I hype. Obviously I hype. Seeing? People me just don't want to get down in some things, I tell you the truth, because me just not that kind of man there, I don't want to get down in some things, seeing, but I feel like she can ease up off how we know and lower with the lie them and all of them kind of thing and stop make it look like me I reach out to you, stop make it look like me I look you and all that kind of thing there. You done enough damage already. You damage your own daughter. Your own daughter. Seeing when that little girl was 5 years old, to how provoking this person is. When Kayla was 5 years old, Kayla could have lose her life and she also could have lose her life, You hear me tell you? Because she provoked people. She provoked people to the level where man fire shot after she in the vehicle where she there with my daughter in the vehicle. And if you feel like say this a story, I'm gonna try to get my daughter up on the phone, people, because as I say, I don't want to get down in all of them something here, but I just have to say some things for this person. Just leave us alone. Just leave me and my woman alone.
Hello?
Kayla,
Yeah?
you okay?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So I'm doing a live. You hearing me?
Yeah.
I'm doing a live, and I just talking about some stuff here. So I mentioned the incident that happened when it was about like 5 years old with the car thing. You remember what happened?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can-
Don't you just go over what happened?
Huh?
You want me to just explain what happened?
You can say it, man. You can say it.
Okay. Alright, so I don't know whose house we were in front of, but we had parked up, I think this is around like Spanish Town area, I think. We had parked up by someone's house, like, but it seemed like an argument had broke out with some people outside, and I was in the back seat, and I was in the vehicle with like I think 2 other people, and like out of nowhere the argument kind of just grew, and all of a sudden I was told to duck, and I was really young, so I was confused until somebody pushed my head down, and there was shots fired through the car. And I was really young, like I didn't know what was going on. And
All right, stop there. All right, you see, the thing is, people, this is something I have to live with for many years, because it traumatized a little girl for a while, you know, where she keep bringing it up, and you know.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm there, Kayla.
Okay.
But I try to get some peace in my life, people. I just some peace me I try to get, yo. You know what I mean? And Kayla is 20 years old now. Aren't you 20 years old now, Kayla?
Yes, I am, and I'm turning 21 this year.
This year October, you're 21. She's an adult now. She's an adult now. See? So I feel like, say boy, I can get some peace now, man. I can get some peace, because apparently, I don't know if our family members them not reach out to her to tell her if just leave the people them alone, or I don't know, but need some peace now, man. And then when you go put it now, like say boy, if things reach you, like you want people to look my way and all that kind of thing, and I try make it look out there like say boy, you have secret for me and all them kind of thing there. Listen, man, you would never keep a secret for me. You would never keep a secret for me. Never ever. So don't make it look that way there, like you have secret for me. Come and say it, man. And as I say, I want the necessary authority them to step in, seeing, and get this situation dealt with, because all of these allegations where she have passed about me and blood on my shoulder and all that kind of thing there, them things I just can't, it just can't go this kind of way, you know? Can't go this kind of way. Yeah, man. I had the number. When I see the number, which number? Oh, Kayla number. When I say, oh, yeah. Come on. So as I say, people, you know, we just have a day and just go on, just keep our prayers them going same way, and you know, and try keep weather above the water and day, and I try keep strong for my lady and everything, and you know, I do what we're supposed to do. So yeah. Alright. You know, we try to keep weather above water and that kind of thing there. You know, and I try to hold it and them thing there. But you see, this person if you just leave me alone. If you just leave me alone. You understand me? As I say, people, she know what she do. Why me have to leave her alone? Me have to leave her alone. Me have to leave her alone. The same Narbrook place where I tell you about people. You know me have to go far and do me show them and them thing there. Saying she bring man in at the place. And yeah, tell me now, say, a disrespect like that, wanna feel like me, would I try for look at reoccurrence of something like that? So me, would I try to reach out to somebody like that? Eh? People, 20 years ago that year, and I make she come here and come telling her not like say me would I ever try to reach out to her. That can never happen. That impossible. No the heartache when me go through from so long. Me that try to make that repeat. Never ever. Me not take them kind of disrespect there. Me not take them kind of disrespect there. You understand me? And how me get knowledge right, because you know some people go there wonder like, yeah, you say she bring man like oh whatever, or you know this and all that kind of thing there. Seeing she had her sister there. See her sister, her little sister, and me used to send her sister go school. Me used to pay her little sister school fee. Cause little sister never have a father in her life and them thing. I'm stand up. A people me want me stand up for. Where you see I try tear me down. The skill where she have now and do the nails where she have, where she do and them thing there, and me send her go learn it. And me send her two different school. The first school when me send her, she and my mother went to the same school. My mother did go do the hairdressing part of it. It's my mother suggested. Cause my mother is a kind-hearted lady. Yeah, my mother were here, she tried to tear down over the years, and before Pink Wall was this, when Pink Wall was just like a mix-up thing, she sent him my mother name from Pink Wall and them kind of thing. They're embarrassing. I say, how my father no want my mother and all them kind of thing there. You understand me? So this is not somebody where me can, oh God man, you mad? Eh? As somebody this, so me try run from far, run very far from, run. If you come and I try make it look like me I reach out to you, you're crazy, you're mad, what you put me through? The first nail school when me send her, the people them said them no want her back in the school because she going to the school and mix up everybody, including my mother. Go to the place and chat my mother, and my mother still sympathize with her. Yeah, you know me have to do, me have to get her in a next nail school in a Kingston. And me get her in the next nail school in a Kingston, the people them said them don't want her there either. Me no know, I don't know why. Me have to step in when the town, the school in a town say them don't want her there. And think me have to call the people them, tell them say yo, and me and what have you and Ray Tete and me just want she get the certificate, please. Me will pay for it happen. And the people them say okay. And I saw she get the nail certificate. So how you feel for no say the same person you are trying to say done career seeing and you are trying to tear me down. You know the food where you eat will go up on your table is me make you have that skill. We not talk on these things, but come on now, man. You don't want to see me with a career. So me not for eat no food and nobody around me not for eat no food, including your own daughter. Because if you want to tear down my career, me not for eat no food and your own daughter not for eat no food and nobody else will come around me not for eat either. Because me not for have no career. Because you see, as long as I live, me can't have no career. You go as far as going to previous manager Robert Livingston, go there and tell the man say, me tell you say me not like him for no reason at all. Make up story carry go to the man. And Robert say him look on you and ask you a question. Him say to you say, yo, let me ask you a question. You have a child for this man, right? You say yes. Him say alright, you know say me manage him career. You say yeah. Him say alright, so if you come tell me this right now, so me done with him now and you mash up him career, how your daughter eat? You couldn't answer and the man tell you to leave him place and don't come back through that gate. That is what Mr. Livingston said to you. Leave my place and don't come back through this gate here. Why you try to tear down the man? And you've been doing this right through. When you go stop? Right through. You take this set on me. See, you go to how much people, because your style is, you go to them and when you go to them, you make it look like me chat them. The artists them. Other artists where you're there with. You go to them and make it look like me not like them and all them kind of artists where me have high respect for. In this business. Where you go deal with. Me have high respect for them artists there. And you go to them and make it look like me not like them and me chat them and this and that and just make up. See somebody write a name there. You see me? Big up yourself, Father Reed. No disrespect. You know me have high respect for you. From when me their Waterhouse in a them time there, Father Reed, a them man they come round there and bless up all the little youth them. Me was one of the little youth them will come and hang round your vehicle and all them kind of thing there and you will give you a little thing and all them kind of thing there. So me not try draw you in a nothing. Seeing? But yes, that name that is one of the artists. Mr. Reed. Seeing? And you know the other artists to see him way. And you take set for me alone. You take set for me alone. Seeing? You know me have high respect for Dada. Seeing? Me have high respect for Dada. Me not go call him full name pan the whole thing I seen, but as me say, when the cup full, it full. Seeing? And people have to know some form of truth now, man. Me have high respect for Dada. Seeing? And you go to Dada with me name like me not like the man. That's the man see me a road and front for me already. Seeing? And when the man realize how you stay and them thing there at them time there, everything change. And me and Dada good again. Them man and man I have high respect for and still have respect for and would never disrespect them man here. If you leave me now, man. Seeing? Are you like Flex from TOK? Seeing? When you go deal with him from TOK, same way, at the same vibe you go to the man and make it look like yeah. And them man, they man me know a long time. Before me come on the scene. You know when time you want a bus. Seen? And you have artists where them thing I get a buzz out there. TOK was one of the artists them were out there where me could have get close to crap. Cause I go up on Main Street and them thing them. I go around Mr. G them, you know, TOK them and Chico. Seeing so me have my car before me boss. So when me used to do people, through me want to get for vice pan a rhythm and them thing there. You have Flex, we live a Portmore live them time there. So me used to go over there, pick him up, him have any little errands to go run and them thing there, me carry him. Me carry him, go run him little errands them, hoping to get a vice pan a rhythm. In a them time there. Seeing, and you end up come put bad blood between me and a man like Flex where me and them man never have a bad day, as me tell you. Me and them you they good. Seeing and you deal with them man there and put inject something in them system like, you know what I mean? Come on man. Come on man. When you see me, when me I do the clash thing and them thing there, seeing, you know when time me and Monster them that do the whole clash thing and all that kind of thing there, seeing, how more embarrassing can you be? Like me there show me the backstage, you know me and as me I say, me not call nobody name for no animosity and no disrespect and them thing here. Cause them people are people me have respect for no matter what. You see me? Big up yourself, General B. You get to me and say, I'm not try draw in and nothing and them kind of thing there. Seeing? But we have the whole clash thing a go on and people them know say me and them a go at it and what have you want Ray. And a General B vehicle you pull up in a a General B vehicle you pull up in a. But yet a me you take set pan. Why me? Alone? I stop it off a put now, man. I stop it off a put now. I stop it off a put now. You know? Hold on the people. It has the puzzle thing. You know, say. Show babes and they have to show me all this. Let me see if I get it right. Ah, yeah, if I put the puzzle something. Yeah. Yeah, people, so I have to make them know what I want because, you know, some of the time, you know, you see, I know a lot of people they tell me said don't address it, you know, and thing and rare. Sorry for let down whoever, you know what I mean, and thing, but me not see it as a let down, you know, but me just have to put some truth out there, you know, because me just can't have this person going around and creating and making up all these stories about me and making up all these lies about me and them thing there. I'm gonna just leave it out there for just linger around. And when people don't know the truth, if them don't know the truth, what them are gonna do? Them have to just run with where them here. Them have to just run with where them here. You understand me I say? So people,